Hey, you know how I love my gadgets?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, when I saw the Aiper N1 Ultra, I had to have it in my hands.
Right, well, I guess it's good to have a clean pool.
Clean? This thing has dual filtration. It'll pick up anything that's over 3 microns. That's microorganisms 1/100th the size of a grain of sand. It brushes and scrubs every inch of this pool.
Well, we had one of those cordless cleaners a few years back. It wasn't for us, though. It kept missing spots and the bin was always full. Glad you're happy, though.
Happy? Mate, I'm beside myself. The N1 Ultra is more powerful than any other cordless cleaner. It has a 7.5 litre bin and the battery lasts for hours. I just pop it in and just stand here and watch it sometimes. Its infrared obstacle avoidance means it never bumps into things, but still gets into those corners. And those 4 brushless motors delivering up to 492 LPM of suction.
It does sound impressive.
Impressive? It's mind-blowing. It's the world's first cordless robotic pool cleaner that is capable of horizontal wall cleaning. And that's all because of the waveline technology and dual drainage outlet. Its horizontal waterline cleaning gets those gross waterline stains. And its shoulder dual jet propulsion, it gives it a hyper-precise maneuvering in 3 different dimensions, which means nothing gets missed. Nothing.
What was that? Oh, yep. I think Joe's calling you, mate.
I didn't hear anything.
She was saying something about lunch.
You're coming back to my place. Oh, sorry, mate. I could have helped you get a closer look.